guys, on today's video we're gonna be factory setting this laptop. So the easiest way to do this is go down here where it says search, just tap there, and then from here all you guys have to type in is reset. Then you should see this option where it says reset this PC. That's what you want. So going to reset this PC. So right now you guys have to think why you're doing this. Do you want to do this because maybe you're returning this? Maybe you're gonna sell it? Then choose this, reset PC. If you just want to solve a problem, try this, fixing. And if you want to change anything from the startup, then choose this, restart now. But this video is about deleting everything from here and then just starting fresh, like when it was brand new. So we're gonna do that right now. So if you're selling this or returning it, this is the video for you. So we're gonna go on and reset PC. So technically during this thing, you guys could keep your files. Obviously, this video is about deleting everything from in here. So I'm assuming you guys did your backup, already have your files out of here. So we're gonna move everything. That includes everything. So no personal anything will be in here. Emails, your the way that you signed in using that email, any files, everything will be deleted from within. So it's gonna be like it was when you bought it brand new. So we're gonna choose that, and then it's gonna tell us this. Now most of you will just do cloud download. That's the easiest one, so choose that so you guys don't have to do anything really. It's just gonna download Windows. So we're gonna go on in cloud download. Now this does tell you that it removes apps and files, but does not clean the drive. So just keep that in mind. So we're gonna go into next, but it's gonna delete your files. Again, it's deleting your files. Obviously during this process, you do require, even if you have full-on battery, you are required to plug it in, okay? So have your laptop plugged in while you're doing this. So right now it gives you a warning of what you're about to do. So it's gonna remove all your personal files, accounts from here, from this. Then it's gonna remove any changes you made to the settings. It's gonna remove any apps, programs that didn't come with this. And it's gonna download and reinstall Windows onto it, because that just has to happen. And since we're downloading, it's gonna take about 4 gigs of data. So let's just go into reset. So once you press reset, it should say something like this, downloading 30% or whatever percentage. If it gives you an error, so if let's say you guys tried this, it gave you an error, just do it again. Do exactly what I showed you again. Get another error, do it again. That's just an error, glitches happen, don't worry about it. It's gonna do it. As long as you guys don't have anything plugged in, so make sure anything that you guys have plugged in, any external hard drives, USB sticks, take them out before you do this, because that could bring out glitches. And make sure you have Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi is working perfectly. You should be okay. For now, you just have to wait. Now keep in mind, during this process, it's gonna automatically restart. So you should see this just doing exactly what you're looking at right now, once it's done downloading. If your screen just turned off, you just left it, which is totally fine. Just tap on your mouse or trackpad, whatever you're using. Unless it's just a black screen because it's restarting, then it's fine. You should see something like so. So after just a bit, you should see something like so. And all we have to do is just wait. All right, so at this point, you should see something like so. That means it's fully done. So you can go in and set up again if you want to use it, or you can just turn it off. To fully turn it off, just hold on to the power key and you are done. That would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.